So hey guys, welcome again, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way of email based authentication. So technically we are just trying to add a fix on that thing. So let's see. So this is the website I'm actually working on. Here we have a dashboard where we are logged in as a user. It will show us the user. Let's say just log out first. I'm working on these pages. So here it is a sign up page, and let's see the code. Okay, so in the sign up page there is nothing new. Everything is same as you have done previously. Also, I think there will be form which is on the sign up page. It's sending a post request, and it's sending all the details like email, username, password, and again retype password. Okay, so the thing is, whenever you're entering your email, okay, so take this field as email. Please keep in mind that take this thing as an email, and then these things will be handled by backend. You all know that, and I'm handling those things in views. So I have created two apps, which is one basic, the by default app which have settings and all these files, and the second app is home, where in the URLs I have mentioned this authentication thing: user login, user logout, and user sign up. Please do not add just login or logout. Sometimes create like falling of URL. Sometimes you are just hitting the URL but it's not working. So try to use this kind of naming convention when you are just calling a URL. Nothing new here. Also in the views, here is the main thing: when I'm creating a user or just working on the sign up feature, so we are taking a post request and all those datas, which is email, username, and here look, I have added the email underscore fake username, so which will, like, it's also showing that it will be email but it will be used as a username. So, and then after taking this, we are checking that password or retype password is same or not. Then we are trying to create a new user. So in that case, user.object.create user, where we are passing the email underscore fake username as username. Okay, so the thing is, you are passing this email as username. So that is the best thing you can do as email based authentication. You don't have to add the Django by default email authentication and other things. This works completely fine. I have hosted some website on the live server and tested these things work really fine. And the best part about that is the username should be unique in Django by default. So the email they are entering is must be unique. No? You don't have to check, or you don't have to add logics for that. You have to check the username already exists in your database or not. By default they will show that it is exist or not, because it's a username for Django. But in case for yourself, it is an email. So for that, if someone enters rather than anything rather than email, so that way I'm telling you that whenever you are handling this thing on the front end side, just add this: it must be a email. If you just able to do that, then it will solve all the issues. Yeah, the rest of the thing is same. We are just make the user inactive, then saving. So yeah, one more thing, I have added a email verification here. So maybe you guys are thinking that this may not work for email verification, but it works completely fine. I will show you within a few moments that it works completely fine. Okay, you just have to import this authenticate user and login logout two modules, nothing else. So how I did this email based authentication, I will show in the next video if you want to see, but I think there are pretty YouTube videos available with this. So let's try this thing first. So as we are in this just HTML page, we'll be writing our email and username as rock. Password will be as usual 1234 for the sake of simplicity, and we'll proceed to login. Wait a minute. Yeah, email is already taken. Okay, so I have to delete that email. Okay, this is already taken. So just Wait for a second, I apologize for that. Like there are, I have the some other emails, but for security reasons I can't show them the content inside them. So just wait for a second, user, and we're gonna delete this user. Yeah, now we're good to go. Let's refresh this page once. Yeah, it will show. Okay, so a fresh start. Foundation section is a mail, and this will be a rock. Password will be 1234 1234, and we'll proceed. Let's see. So it already sent us to the username, please pardon that thing. And here I have to show you that here is, we just have to refresh that thing. Yeah, here is the user, but if you closely look here, it is not active, so I can't log in until I just verify my mail. So just refresh that thing, mail should come. Yeah, mail has come, where we have that username, or it is username as per Django, or for our case it is email, and is the activation link where they will ask for, just wait, what you've done, you've done rock, right? 1234. Okay, sorry, my bad, it was email, I forgot that it was the email with authentication. Okay, so here we go. If we go to the dashboard, we can see that this is the email, and also we are seeing the username. So as we have added their username, like look, in that scenario we can use their username to show in the website anywhere. So this will show the email, or we can use simply the first name, because it is their username. So if we show the first name, then it should show us the, yeah, look, it was the as previous, but in that case it is showing their username. So in that way you can access both the username and the email, and the authentication will be done totally via this email based. Okay, and you can see that this thing is now active. Okay, I am logged out as a different user. Okay, so that's for all. If you want a different video on how to send mail and just customize the mail message, I can create, but I don't think it's too much necessary. So thank you for that, and let's log out about that, and I will show you the whole website later on. It has some search features, so you can search products here. A little bit out about the website. Okay, it's not searching about right now. Okay, so I don't have product like that, but here you can see the products and the detail page, and you can send them to cart. Okay, cart is not working. So this thing work like that. I will show you in the next video that how to create this whole website. I will create a tutorial. So thank you for that. Please like and subscribe and share. You know what to do.